No, I think you were more than 5.
Brody. How old are you? Yeah.
Let him open his present. Stop talking to him.
What is ever in there?
What is that?
I'm going to lift this, okay? Are you ready?
I'll grab it.
You really taped it? You really taped it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh. You can't lift it. Okay, B-Man. Are you ready, Freddy?
Yeah.
Easy, Tal. Whoa, bro. Careful.
Oh, yeah. The Dodge cheese.
It actually doesn't have a brand, the guy said, because